Hey guys, so this is to show you how to replace a windshield wiper on a Ford Ranger. So the one I have is actually a 2004 Ford Ranger, but it's the same process for 83 all the way to 2012. All you gotta do is lift the wiper. Pretty simple. All you need is just your hands. There you have it. Open it up just like this, and then all you have to do is slide it down, and there you go. You have it off. And then to replace it, put it back on the new one. All you gotta do is the same exact process. It's just kind of like a hook, as you can see. Grab your wiper. There you have it. Put it in there and pull it up until it locks, and there you go. Your wiper is on. So this is how you replace a windshield wiper for a Ford Ranger. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and ask. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And that's actually my bird talking. It's raining outside, so I have inside the garage, and also he's talking while I'm trying to replace the wiper. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.